In a world racing toward the electric future, some chase attention. But Volvo builds silence. Not the silence of emptiness, but the silence of purpose, precision, and peace. This is the Volvo ES90, the car that doesn't shout power. It whispers dominance. From the first glance, you know this isn't another EV trying to be loud. It's an executive liftback sculpted with Scandinavian restraint. Every line, every curve, every reflection across its 5-meter body speaks one language: elegance through minimalism. The signature Thor's hammer lights now look sharper, alive, breathing through pixel precision. And as you walk closer, the car greets you softly, like an old friend, unlocking with light instead of sound. Underneath that calm exterior lies the SPA2 platform, the same advanced architecture that powers the EX90 and Polestar 3. But here, it's been tuned for refinement. Rear-wheel drive for the purists, dual motors for those who crave balance, and if you dare, the performance version, a 500 kilowatts beast delivering nearly 680 horsepower. 0 to 100 in the blink of a thought. It's not just acceleration, it's confidence, wrapped in silence. Inside, you don't just sit, you arrive. No chrome, no clutter, just sustainable luxury. Recycled materials, meat, soft Nappa leather. A panoramic roof pours light into a cabin that feels less like a car and more like a sanctuary. Everything runs through Google built-in voice-controlled navigation. Music and climate effortless, natural, human. It doesn't ask for your attention. It gives you peace of mind. The 106 kilowatt-hours CATL battery gives you up to 700 kilometers of range, enough to cross countries without anxiety. Fast charging brings it back to life in minutes, while the advanced thermal management system keeps performance stable no matter the season. Safety, the soul of every Volvo, is here. Evolved. LiDAR sensors, driver monitoring cameras, and predictive AI, all working invisibly to protect what matters most: life. This isn't a car built to impress you, it's a car built to protect you. But beyond the specs, there's something deeper here. The ES90 isn't just an electric sedan, it's a message. That luxury doesn't need noise, that innovation doesn't need flash, and that the future can still feel human. When you step out of it, and the lights fade into the night, you'll realize Volvo didn't just build a car. They built a statement, a promise that even in a world driven by change, calm is still powerful. The 2025 Volvo ES90, luxury redefined, silence electrified.